Hello and welcome to Take It Simple. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can edit the Dropbox files which is on your PC or which is in your cloud. So, first of all, if you are editing the Dropbox files which is shared by your teammates, they must have to give the permission for you to edit. Go to Dropbox and go to the folder. Tap on the folder icon, click on your folder, and you can edit the files which is in here by simply clicking on it, and PowerPoint of your PC will open it, and now you can edit the files. After you press Ctrl+S, it will be saved, and you can even see the features which Dropbox provides from here. You can share it, copy the link, and etc. So after you save it, let me show it to you how you can do it again. Go to Dropbox, go to web, click on the web, and this is the way how you can edit your files through webs. Tap on it, and you must need the authentication from the team member. If he or she has uploaded, go to open in the settings. You can see this is not being able to edit, so you can click on open it and click on PowerPoint web. Wait for a while and it will ask you the authentication, so click on allow and you will open the file in Microsoft Office Online. You can now edit the files which is in your web. Just wait for a while and you can see that you can now fully edit this file. As you edit it and save it, it will also be saved in your drive or file which is in your PC, and it will also be uploaded in the cloud of your Dropbox. So you can edit your Dropbox files this way. You can add, you can delete, and you can do lots of editing. And the people who have access to these files, you can do it in a group, and you can complete the assignment, do the group work, and finish the task very easily. So, going to the Dropbox, and you can directly edit it from your Windows, or go to the web, and you can edit it from here by simply tapping on the file, and then clicking on Open in PowerPoint for web. Or you can tap on PowerPoint of your PC and it will open up on your PC and you can edit it from here too. So this was a video on how you can edit your Dropbox files. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.